folks, I welcome you back to Global Education Zone, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to draw a circle to pass through two given points and to touch a given line. So in this case we have the two given points A and B. Let's look at the 2 points. This is A and this is B. So these are a circle which is required to pass through A and B. This is A and this is B. So we need a circle to pass through A and B. So I'll given line CD. So this circle will pass through two given points and to touch a given line. So this given line, let's call it line CD. So this should be C. This circle is supposed to touch this line CD. Let it be CD. So this is the line CD. Now the next step, this circle is to pass through A, B, and to touch C and D, either C or D, or any point on the line CD. Now next step is to extend the line from A through B. So that's what we'll do here. We'll extend the line from A through B. Then next, you also extend CD to touch AB extended at E. So let's extend it. It touches it at E. This is E. Next step, with mark EF equal to EB. So I'm going to mark a point EF that will be equal to EB. Let's mark EF. So this is EB, E to B. Let's mark a point EF on the other side of the line. So this is the F. This is F down. Now the next step, mark EF equals to EB. The next step is construct a semicircle on AF. So this from A to F, construct a semicircle from A to F. So all you need to do is you first of all bisect AF. That's what I'm doing here. So I'm bisecting AF. So bisecting EF, so then I'll construct a semicircle on AF, which is this, passes through A and F. So this is a semicircle here. So here we go. Now the next step is to draw a line perpendicular to AF from E to touch the semicircle at G. So draw a line perpendicular to AF from E. So this perpendicular to AF, so through E. So let's draw it to the line. Make it of the set square. So draw it at E. So through E. So I have this perpendicular line here. Here we go. This is the required perpendicular line. Now the next step is to touch the semicircle at G. Now this big G here. Now you mark EH equals to EG. So from E to H will be equals to from E to G. So open your compass from E to G and mark EH on the other side. So it will also cross the line CD. Now with that center H, you draw a line perpendicular to CD at H. So from that center H, draw a line that will perpendicular to be C to CD through H. You just put your ruler at CD and take it to H. Draw a line that will be perpendicular to CD through H. There we have it. So that is the perpendicular line. Then finally, you bisect AB to cut the previous line at J. So bisect AB to cut the previous line at H at J. Now this AB is from here to here, so we'll bisect it to cut the previous line. So I know this construction is rather it looks rather difficult, but it's actually easy. It's actually easy. It depends on how many times you practice it. So yeah, it cuts. So it will cut this previous line at J. So this J will be the center of the required circle. J. So that was circle, and then we will just open our compass to J, and then it will pass through A, B, and to pass through a point on C and D. So finally here we have our circle. But this is a circle that passes through 2 points and a given line. So thanks for watching this video.